Hey everyone, did your colors change after exporting from CapCut? Yeah, that annoying color shift can make your video look washed out or overly dark. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix CapCut color shift after export. First, open the export panel. So look for any HDR or color enhancement options. If your source isn't HDR, keep those settings turned off to avoid color mismatches. Next, make sure your project uses the standard color space. Yeah, most videos should stay in SDR or Rec. 709. Mixing HDR and SDR is a common cause of color shift. Check your adjustment layers and filters. Auto enhance, HDR effects, or heavy LUTs can look different after export. Try disabling them and test again. Now export using the same resolution and frame rate as your timeline. So unnecessary upscaling or compression can slightly shift colors. Before assuming it's broken, play the exported video in another media player. Yeah, sometimes the color looks different because of the video player, not CapCut, and that's it, Your CapCut color shift issue should now be fixed. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick editing fixes. Hey everyone.